Hello everyone, welcome back to MAYANK LAWHOLIC. In this playlist series, we will be discussing the MCQs of jurisprudence. Here I also want to give a little information. If you want to watch other videos also, please subscribe us. And for this Juris MCQ playlist series, please find a link in the description section. So now let's get started from the question number 301. And this is the 13th video in this playlist series. Who said these? Law is a fictional entity made up of an aggregate of individual laws. Option A, Allen. Option B, Austin. Option C, Bentham. And option D, Kelson. Here correct answer is option C, that is Bentham. Question number 302. Who said law is not to be deduced from the rule but the rule from the law? Hobbes, Paulus, Blackstone, Hegel. Correct answer here is option B, that is Paulus. Question number 303. It is generally agreed that the definition of law has consumed so much time and energy because the notion of law is different in different countries. Law is a very difficult subject. It is surrounded with philosophical perplexities, and D, there is linguistic variations on the issue. Here correct answer is option A. The notion of law is different in different countries. Question number 304. The expression law in relation to jurisprudence means law in its abstract sense only, option B, positive sense only, option C, fundamental legal principles, and option D, theories of punishments. Here correct answer is option C, that is fundamental legal principles. The expression law in relation to jurisprudence means fundamental legal principles. Question number 305. Who made the distinction between the term jurisprudence in its generic and specific cases? Option A, Bentham. Option B, Pound. Option C, Salmon. And option D, Austin. Here correct answer is option C, Salmon. Question number 306. Salmon divided jurisprudence into analytical school, historical school, ethical school, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 307. The book written by Bentham is option A, The Limits of Jurisprudence Defined, option B, The Province of Jurisprudence Determined, option C, A Plea for the Constitution, and option D, On Parliamentary Government. Here in question number 307, correct answer is option A. The book written by Bentham is The Limits of the Jurisprudence Defined. Question number 308. What is true regarding Bentham? Option A, he is the founder of analytical positivist school. Option B, he was a champion of codified laws, that is legislation. Option C, he distinguished expositorial jurisprudence from censorial jurisprudence. And option D, all of the above. Here correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. All these statements regarding Bentham are true. Question number 309. Who said this? Bentham's work was intended to provide the indispensable introduction to a civil code. Option A, Austin. Option B, Friedman. Option C, Peyton. And option D, Keaton. Here correct answer is option C, that is Peyton. Peyton said that Bentham's work was intended to provide indispensable introduction to a civil code. Question number 310. Who among the following does not belong to the analytical school? Options are Austin, Salmon, Holland, Savigny. Here correct answer is option D, Savigny. Savigny does not belong to the analytical school. Question number 311. Who has made distinction between law properly so called and law improperly so called? Option A, Jeremy Bentham. Option B, G.W. Peyton. Option C, John Austin. And option D, O.W. Holmes. Here correct answer is option C, that is John Austin. Now let us proceed to question number 312. Austin's theory of law can be found in his work titled Province of Jurisprudence Determined, through which he meant to convey the idea that options are option A, the subject matter of jurisprudence was large till then. Option B, the applicability of laws differed from province to province. Option C, the subject matter of divine laws etc. do not fall within the purview of jurisprudence. And option D, the subject matter of divine laws etc. fall within the purview of jurisprudence. Here in question number 312, correct answer is option C. That is, the subject matter of divine laws etc. do not fall within the purview of jurisprudence. Question number 313. Austin's book, The Province of Jurisprudence Determined is option A, his autobiography. Option C, his lectures delivered at University of London. And option C, his answer to an essay by Gray on parliamentary government. And option D, none of the above. Here in question number 313, correct answer is option B, that is his lectures delivered at University of London. Question number 314. According to Austin, Law improperly so called includes laws by metaphor, laws of analogy, and option C, laws by fashion, and option D, all of the above. Here in question number 314, correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. According to Austin, law improperly so called includes laws by metaphor, laws by analogy, laws by fashion. Question number 315. What is true? Options A. According to Austin, law is a command laid down by a political superior. Option B. According to Austin, science of law is concerned with law as it is and not what ought to be. Option C. According to Austin, the subject matter of jurisprudence consists of positive laws. And option D, all of the above. Here in question number 315, correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Now let us proceed to question number 316. What are the criticisms regarding to Austin? Option A. Austin ignored custom. Option B. Austin ignored judge-made law. And option C. Austin extended the law to rules set by private person. And option D. All of the above. Here in question number 316, correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Are the criticisms regarding Austin. Question number 317. According to Austin, international law comes under option A, divine law, option B, positive morality, option C, law properly so called, and option D, none of the above. Here in question number 317, correct answer obviously is option B, that is positive morality. Question number 318. Who calls Austin's analytical school as imperative school? Option A, Gray, option B, Salmond, option C, Allen, and option D, Holland. Here in question number 318, correct answer is option C, that is Allen. Allen calls Austin's analytical school as imperative school. Question number 319. Where there is a law, their human conduct is made in some sense non-optional or optional or obligatory, is said by Professor H.L.A. Hart. Option B, John Austin, option C, Bentham, and option D, Salmond. Here the correct option is option A, that is Professor H.L.A. Hart. Question number 320. Austinian law requires command, duty, sanction, all of the above. Correct answer here is obviously answered option D, that is all of the above. Austinian law requires command, duty, and sanction. Question number 321. For a systematic exposition of the methods of English jurisprudence, we will have to turn to Austin. Who said these words? Option A, Gray, option B, Patterson, option C, Blackstone, and option D, Allen. Here correct answer obviously is option D, that is Allen. Allen said that for a systematic exposition of the methods of English jurisprudence, we will have to turn to Austin. Question number 322. Which of the following books is written by Professor Hart? Option A, The Limits of Jurisprudence Defined. Option B, On Parliamentary Government. Option C, The Province of Jurisprudence Determined. And option D, The Concept of Law. Here correct answer is option D, that is The Concept of Law. Professor Hart written the book The Concept of Law. Question number 323. What is true about Hart? Option A, he expanded his legal theory based on the relationship between law and society. Option B, he was a professor of jurisprudence at Oxford. Option C, his classic work is Concept of Law. And option D, all of the above. Here correct answer is option D, all of the above. All the given options are correct as per the option D. Question number 324. The remedy for static quality of primary rules is the introduction of option A, rules of alteration, rules of change, rules of innovation, rules of modification. Correct answer here is option B, that is rules of change. The remedy for static quality of primary rules is the introduction of rules of change. Question number 325. The book Elements of Jurisprudence was authored by option A, Holland, option B, Hart, option C, Bentham, and option D, Jethro Brown. Here correct answer is option A, that is Holland. The book Elements of Jurisprudence was authored by Holland. So here we will wind up this video, and thank you for watching the entire video. Please support us by subscribing this channel. Thank you so much.